Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kaya for any of you that are new. In today's video, I'm going to be making a frontal wig for you guys. This hair comes from YirooHair on Amazon. I have a frontal and 3 bundles. So if you're interested in seeing how I get this wig made, then continue to watch. Make sure you subscribe as well and hit the notification bell so you'll be notified each time I upload. So I start off with my needles and thread. I've already got those threaded out for me and laid out. I had about 8 needles. And then I use a mesh dome cap that I also ordered from Amazon. The link will be in the description box below. I start off with the frontal first. I make sure that I place it where I need it to be placed at. I start off with T-pinning the middle and the back, and then I do the sides just to make sure that it doesn't adjust and move. Starting from the middle, I think, is definitely key when setting your base down for your frontal or your lace front. So then it needs to have a little bit of space in the front because you're going to cut that mesh dome cap out at the end of the process. So I start off with threading it from the middle, and then I work over to the sides towards the sideburns. And I do a like cross method with my thread, just making sure that I cross it and pull and tug as tight as possible. And I do that same method with when I sew the bundles onto the cap as well. So I start off with the back. I do double these, and I don't cut the wefts or cut the bundles at all. It's all still connected, so if I ever want to take these bundles out and reconstruct it into a new wig, that will be possible because I don't cut my thread, and it still comes out laying super flat as possible. Today's look is going to be like a really curly look though. If you guys ever want me to make a more slow, detailed wig making process, let me know in the comment section below and I will do that. But I didn't want to bore you guys with showing too much or going too slow with making this wig. So yeah, if you're interested in me doing that like slow detailed process, just let me know in the comment section below and I will let you guys see that. So I'm just going to go ahead and get my unit applied on. I'm using Got To Be gel, and I'm using freeze spray from Olive Oil, and this is like the same concept I use when I usually apply my lace wigs. Now, I did not do too much plucking to this unit because I liked how the lace looked without me doing any extra plucking. I did do a little bit, but I definitely didn't do a whole lot. Once I got the unit on, I was kind of like, okay, I think I want to pluck this a little bit more, and I actually did end up plucking it because I wore this unit for 3 days after I filmed it, and I did go in and pluck it more. So now the hairline looks completely different from what you were seeing here. Not that it looks bad, but I think I'm more used to a more thinned out hairline versus this one was just a little bit more on the thick side, but still wearable, if you get what I'm saying. It's just all based on your preference. So yeah, now I'm just making sure that I get this lace melted into my skin as much as possible. I probably did the wrap cap method about 3 times until I got it to finally blend into my skin. I'm not sure if this lace is transparent or just like a medium brown. I kind of felt like the lace was just a bit dark. Personally, I felt like the lace was just still showing a bit much due to like the lace being a little bit darker, but I was able to finesse it with some makeup and stuff, so it still came out looking good. I definitely think this is an everyday wear type of unit. You guys let me know what you think about it in the comment section below. It's also, I think the longest length was 16 inches, and you're gonna see in a few seconds I did cut this unit. It needed to be cut to me because I just didn't like how thin the ends looked. I felt like it wasn't as full as the rest of the unit due to how my curls were set up. I felt like everything else just, it didn't like level out, if you get what I'm saying. And once I did that, I thought it was cute. It was like a blunt cut with still having like some layers in it. So I really liked how it came out once I did the cut to it. You guys let me know what you think in the comment section. But yeah, guys, that was pretty much it. I'm going to give you a 360 view of the unit. I'm adding some powder to the parting space, but I really like this hair. I think it was really good hair considering the price and, you know, the bundle deal that you get. I think it's a really decent price for the quality of the hair. So if you're interested in checking it out, I will have the links below in the description box. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching today's video. And until next time, I will see you guys in my next one. Bye, guys.